Hey guys, welcome to the UBL Garage. I'm here with a 2018 Dodge Charger and I'm going to show you how to install the Z-Flash and the gateway bypass module. We're going to unplug the security module and plug this in, and when we're all done we'll plug the OBD module in, and this will allow us to use the Z-Flash. So let's hop inside and I'll show you how to install the gateway bypass module. I'm going to go ahead and remove this panel so we can access the module. Now you'll see the gateway module up here. You can feel for the wiring harness and unplug it. So once the cables are unplugged, you'll plug in the gateway bypass module. That's plugged in, you're all set. So now we'll go ahead and plug in the OBD module. The light blink. Now it's flashing to let us know that it's activated.